Hello guys, it's me guys. It's me. It's me. You know who I am? Yeah. So my name is the Flame MC. So we have netherite guys. Eee. I'm happy. We're gonna be smelting some gold. Ouch. Patawa mana. Okay, go. I update for a while. Apo! Hamburger, please. Doon na lang. Tawin ko din ako kagawa ng netherite. Ha? Mama, tawag ka niya ate. Hindi ko alam. Ano daw ate? Yay, for netherite. Ber, pagod. Ber, ay ka pa yung ano, iron? I-kill ko na lang si Bob. Huwag ka magpahulog po, pre. Si Bob. Yung iron golem baga? Bob, baga ang pangalan niya. Nag-respawn si Bob. Arma si Bob. Si Bob, si Bob. Tanganang-nganang-nganang, tanganang-nganang-nganang. May smith na ako. Kinamagagabon na ako ning... Kuha mo na, boss? Did you die? Yay, netherite. Ha? Pero from a high place. Best. You have diamond items? I'm coming, bro. Wah, wah, wah. Ano, boss? Diba? Walang speed ko mag-build.
Ay, kuya na pala nabos ba?
O, boss? Antig-drop ko na. Ay, diyan sa diamond mo. Pero pala na. Ariyon. Ariyon. So iron mo din na. Ay, sa diamond pala. Iba ko diamond spear. Hala? Sa Piglin, nag-drop ning iron gold. Bro, you get our gold, huh? You're so pitiful. You got our gold, huh? You're so poor. So guys, let's kill these to get some pork chop. Pork chop, guys. I gonna prank Amber. Adam, he knows. Hello, broski. What up, bro? Do you want to give the toilet? Ninigarite na ako. Diamond baga. Diba nahulog ka sa lava kang ina? Ooh, diamond! Bad. Don't focus bad. Nang prank. Nawala pa lang sa portal, Ben. Araw ko pa lang kung di sa portal. Alam mo man kung saan, di ba? Ber! Saan yung portal, Ber? Hindi ko na alam kung nasaan, Ber! Ber, nasaan yung portal, Ber? Ber! Saan ka na? Like, nawala ka na. Where's the nether portal, guys? Okay, guys, Midnight. Show your skin. Take up armor. Please. Neon creeper na may bro. Okay, let's go, guys. Come on, kasali dyan You're not included in this, huh? You're not included this lah. You left? You're not included in this, you piglin. Okay, guys. Bye, guys.